Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the fourth video on the program called Wrapit by Laserjumpstart. And if you didn't watch the first three videos, you might want to back up and kind of watch them in order. I cut out this ring this morning, and I just can't believe it. I mean, this is 1/8" plywood. You can see the dovetails. They're tiny. It fits. And what I like about this program, you don't have to stick with what they give you. You can change a lot of things. So here's the ring I designed, and in the software you have to be 1/2 inch wide, but I think there's a way around that, and I might discuss that in another video. And I used the circle and star, and I found it was just too loose, too much flexibility. So I went to arrange, group, and ungroup all objects, and then your objects are still grouped together, and select just these interior ones and go to group and ungroup all objects. And then I just erased. If you take the pick tool and you do not encompass everything, all the lines, it'll just get the stars in the circle, and you can hit delete. Come down here and hit delete, and there's your ring. Now, it was still real flexible, and it is so small that I actually did this. I deleted one line, 2 lines. I selected all my lines, and I just moved it, stretched it out, making the lines further apart. And then I cut it out, and that is the end result. And I just couldn't believe it didn't break. The little dovetails held together. It's a little thick of wood, but you could probably sand that down and make it thinner. And when I sanded this down, I actually put it back into the spot it came out of to sand it on both sides to alleviate from breaking. But there's a lot you could do with this program. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.